By the end of this lecture, learners will be able to define the inquiry-based learning, describe the characteristics of inquiry-based learning, identify the benefits of inquiry-based learning strategies, list the advantages of implementing the inquiry-based learning in a classroom. Hello everybody. And welcome to the UNIV-ENGLISH channel. If you have not been here before, then, welcome to the UNIV-ENGLISH channel. If you do like videos like this, then make sure to hit the subscribe button. And also smash the notification bell to receive notifications of when I produce more videos like this. For more information, you are invited to visit my website, english.mokerma.com. So, let's begin with this question. What is inquiry-based learning? Inquiry-based learning, IBL, is a teaching methodology that encourages students to question information and ideas, seeking out new perspectives and solutions. This type of learning helps students develop critical thinking skills, improves problem-solving abilities, and fosters a deeper understanding of the material being studied. Inquiry-based learning can be found in both formal and informal settings and can be used in classrooms, libraries, museums, science laboratories, corporate training programs, and more. Inquiry-based learning is a form of active learning, which means that it involves students in the process of learning. This can take place through discussions, group work, demonstrations, guest speakers and presentations, simulations, which are guided exercises that require participation, problem-solving activities and other hands-on activities. Characteristics of inquiry-based learning. Inquiry-based learning refers to a type of instruction in which students are encouraged to ask questions and explore information for themselves. In this type of learning, students are typically actively engaged in exploring the material they are studying. Inquiry-based learning is often used in classrooms where traditional lectures are not effective or when more interactive approaches are desired. Some key characteristics of inquiry-based learning include 1. Use of questioning as a tool for exploration and investigation. 2. Encouragement for students to share their understanding and perspectives with their peers. 3. A focus on problem-solving and critical thinking. 4. A focus on developing each individual's skills and knowledge. 5. Use of hands-on activities that allow students to apply what they have learned. 6. Emphasis on feedback and guidance to students as they explore new information. 7. Enhancing communication and collaboration skills. 8. Promoting creativity and innovation. 6 ways to implement inquiry-based learning in your classroom. Inquiry-based learning is an instructional model that encourages students to ask questions and investigate their own understanding of topics. It has become increasingly popular in recent years, as educators see its benefits. Students learn faster, retain information better, and are more engaged in the classroom. Here are the ways you can implement inquiry-based learning in your classroom. 1. Have students brainstorm ideas for questions to ask during class. In order to keep your classes interesting and engaging, it is important to ask questions that challenge students' thinking. Here are some questions you can ask your students during class. 1. What do you think our class should focus on this semester? 2. How can we make our class more engaging? 3. What topics would you like us to cover? 4. What questions do you have about the material we've been covering so far? 5. How can we improve our learning environment in class? 2. Have them design their own experiments to explore a topic. Have them design their own experiments to explore a topic. This can be done in a classroom setting or at home. Have the students choose a topic they are interested in and brainstorm different ways to investigate it. They can then create an experiment plan, gather materials, and conduct the experiment. The results of the experiment can be analyzed and/or discussed. 3. Have them form small groups to share ideas and investigate shared interests. Small groups are an excellent way to share ideas and investigate shared interests. By working together in a small group, participants are able to share their thoughts and ideas more easily, which can lead to new discoveries. Groups also tend to be more innovative than individuals due to the variety of perspectives they offer. By forming small groups, students can benefit from increased communication and collaboration, both of which are essential for learning. 4. Ask students to reflect on what worked about the process and what didn't. Students often reflect on their educational experiences and what worked well for them. However, it can be interesting to ask learners to also consider what did not work so well about the process. Ask students to reflect on what worked well about their recent assignment process, and to share their thoughts about the effectiveness of their educational process. The results highlighted both the positive and negative aspects that students experienced during their time in school. This can help them to improve future workflows and increase overall success. 5. Allow them to use technology, such as Google Sheets, vocabularies, to explore data and answer questions collaboratively. Many teachers find that allowing their students to use technology such as Google Sheets and vocabularies to explore data and answer questions collaboratively is a helpful way to engage them in learning. This type of engagement helps students develop critical thinking skills and problem-solving abilities, while also helping them build a strong understanding of the information they are studying. By allowing students to work together using technology, teachers can help them become better informed citizens who can understand complex issues. 6. Help them develop a professional work ethic that will help them succeed. Many people might think that having a good work ethic is only important for those who are working in a professional setting. However, this couldn't be further from the truth. In fact, having a good work ethic can help anyone achieve success in any area of their life. A strong work ethic shows that you are committed to your career and willing to put in the hard work it takes to be successful. What are the benefits of inquiry-based learning? Inquiry-based learning is a pedagogical model that emphasizes student-led and self-directed learning. It emphasizes the use of open-ended questions to stimulate student interest, generate ideas, and build understanding. Inquiry-based learning is also more flexible than traditional teaching methods, allowing for more personalized instruction and response to individual students' needs. Additionally, IBL can help students learn in a more effective and efficient manner by providing them with opportunities to explore multiple perspectives and sources of information. The benefits of this approach are numerous, and include increased engagement, better understanding, and more innovation. 1. Increased engagement and motivation. 2. Enhances learning experiences. 3. Improves critical thinking skills. 4. Better problem-solving skills. 5. Builds an understanding of how to seek out and use information. 6. Teaches skills needed for all areas of learning. 7. Allows students to take ownership of their learning. 8. Encourages mentors to guide students' learning. 9. Fosters curiosity in students. 10. Provides a deeper understanding of the material. Is inquiry-based learning effective? Many researchers believe that IBL is more effective than traditional learning methods, like lectures and textbooks, because it allows students to learn in their own way and at their own pace. A recent meta-analysis found that IBL is more effective than traditional instruction in both promoting student understanding and retention of information. However, there is still much research to be done in order to better understand the mechanisms underlying the IBL effect. The challenges of inquiry-based learning. Inquiry-based learning has been found to be more effective than traditional methods such as lecturing and presenting information. However, inquiry-based learning may face some difficulties in classrooms. The challenges are well known to educators who have been using the approach for years. The first challenge is that students need to be engaged in the learning process. They must be willing to ask questions, explore their world, and take risks. The second challenge is that teachers need to provide abundant opportunities for students to engage in meaningful inquiry. Third, it is important that the curriculum supports inquiry-based learning. Here are some challenges that educators face when using this method. 1. Students may not ask questions because they feel they don't know enough or they fear being wrong. 2. Teachers must make sure that all students have access to appropriate questioning tools. 3. It can be difficult for teachers to remember how to question effectively. 4. Asking effective questions requires an understanding of the subject matter being taught, and 5. Creating a student-centered environment in which inquiry is encouraged can be challenging. Conclusion. Inquiry-based learning is a form of teaching that encourages students to ask questions and investigate topics for themselves. It is an important tool that can be used in the classroom to help students learn. It allows students to ask questions and investigate topics that interest them, which can lead to a deeper understanding of the material. Additionally, inquiry-based learning can help students develop critical thinking skills and problem-solving skills. It has been shown to be more effective than traditional instruction methods, such as lecturing. Inquiry-based learning can be used in a variety of settings, such as in the classroom, at home, or online. Teachers who are interested in using inquiry-based learning in their classroom should read more about it and start slowly by incorporating a few inquiry-based activities into their lessons.